Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Sales Navigator saved searches for weekly pipeline, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Once logged in, navigate to the saved searches section from the main dashboard. You will see a list of your current saved searches. Choose the search you wish to update by clicking on its name. After selecting the search, review the current filters you have applied. Consider what updates you want to make based on your pipeline needs. To modify criteria, click on the filter options available. You can refine your search by industry, location, company size, or other specifics. Adjust the filters according to the new target audience for your pipeline. After making changes, click on the Apply button to see the updated results. Review the revised search results to ensure they align with your pipeline goals. If satisfied, save the updated search by clicking the Save button. You can also set the frequency for receiving alerts related to this search. To do this, locate the Alerts section or option after saving. Choose the frequency that best suits your needs, such as weekly or daily alerts. Confirm your alert settings by saving them again. Now, you will receive notifications based on your updated saved search. Regularly revisit your saved searches to ensure they remain relevant. Continue to refine and adjust as your pipeline evolves. This process will help keep your prospecting efforts efficient and targeted. By updating your saved searches consistently, you can streamline your sales process. Be proactive about chasing leads that align with your current sales strategy. With these steps, you'll maintain a dynamic and effective sales pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.